Physiotherapy treatment plan for patient with acromioclavicular joint dislocation, a case report. By Noel Samuel McVan and Shakshi Devendra Patel. Background: the joint known as the acromioclavicular (AC) is flat and its dislocation is one of the most common shoulder problems, accounting for 9%-12% of all shoulder injuries. Its dislocations can result from both direct and indirect trauma. By forcing the AC joint in that direction, a superior impact on the lateral shoulder that is vertically oriented and inferiorly directed results in direct trauma. An AC dislocation results in damage to the acromioclavicular ligament and may or may not cause a tear in the coracoclavicular ligament. Case report: in this case report, a 50-year-old male farmer by occupation with a traumatic history treated conservatively initially and later underwent surgery in the form of AC joint reconstruction with K-wire fixation and ipsilateral palmaris longus graft and patient shoulder. After 5 weeks, the patient had the implant removed and was referred to the outpatient physical therapy department. The patient's orthopedic evaluation revealed reduced muscular performance and mobility in the right shoulder joint, which made it difficult for the patient to execute activities of daily living. Conclusion: this case report is the 7th case described in the literature, managed operatively, and role of physiotherapy treatment has been highlighted for the first time. Physiotherapy treatment plan should be targeted to reduce post-injury post-surgical secondary complications like shoulder stiffness, periarthritis shoulder, and others. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.